Hello, dear students, boys and girls. Today, our session will be how to write horror stories. Now, first, what does a horror story mean? It is a story in which the focus is on creating the feeling of fear. Now, when you are studying a horror story, you have to know what are the features of the horror story. Think of suspense, think of mystery and imagination. Put all the three elements together or three features together in order to help you create a very, very good horror story. For more details, you have to study the elements of horror in order to get more information and in order to make the matter easy for writing. What is the structure? The structure of horror. You have three steps you have to think about. Step number one, facing a threat, then struggling with that threat, and finally, escaping the threat. If you need to write a good horror story, a perfect horror story, you have to think about all these features, keep them in mind, and plan your writing. Now, I just need to draw your attention to a very important point. In the exam, you are asked either to continue the story or to write a story using your own words. Now, the samples provided here are number one, demon in the dark. The second one, full heart with hands. The third one, kitchen nightmares. And the fourth one, haunted house. Again, I repeat, it's very important, very, very important to keep in mind the features in order to write in a very, very good style. Another sample here provided, it's about a text entitled Fishing. Here, the examiner asks you to continue. You need to continue the story and explain why the birds and the fish went away so suddenly. Try to continue the story through Ali's eyes. Here, one of my students continued that story in that way, and I assessed the marks as follow: 5 out of 5, 3 out of 3, 6 out of 7, 6 out of 7, 2 out of 3. The total is 22 out of 25. Now, I hope you could understand how to write a horror story. What I need you to do, enjoy studying and do not forget your comments. It's very important to remember adding comments because these comments will help us to understand what you need and what we should add more. Good luck.